Bertram?
Please.
How are you, Judge? Judge, I've got Fuentes Lobo on your docket this morning. He is entering the DWI PTI program today. I've just sent just now everything over to the DA's, the emails that we're supposed to send it to. We're just waiting for the order to be filed. My only question is, does my client have to stay until that happens, or can he leave now?
Or do you know that they're 100% going to file it today?
It should, I would say 100%. Don't. So here's the only potential issue is the contract as it was sent to us required him to have a portable device. He, from the time that we received the contract to today, he has a valid driver's license, which I've sent them. He has valid insurance, which I've sent them as well, with proof of the interlock installed as well. So everything should be fine. I've done that before where clients have gotten their driver's licenses between
The contract says portable versus interlock.
right. So they'll just have to
Amend the
they'll just have
contract.
to amend, well, but they can amend it regardless right before they file the order with you, because they have to amend the end date all the time.
Vic, have you had him sign a reset yet, the defendant?
He has not signed a reset just yet, Judge. I wanted to approach you before I do anything else. Make sure that we got everything right.
As long as they're going to file it today, I'm okay with it. We'll just have him sign the reset now. You
Okay.
know, I mean, if there's a problem, I mean, he's going to have to come back, I guess. I
That's
don't know.
fine. As long as you're okay with
Council for reset?
Does he have to go somewhere?
it. Well, if he doesn't have to, he'd like to go back to work if he can.
Cole, can you check or?
I mean, I just sent it like 2 minutes ago, so I don't,
Okay.
I can reapproach in like 15, 20 minutes if you'd like.
You know that they're going to file it 100%.
They should. I haven't had any issues with them before.
Okay, go for it.
Council for
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Just need him to sign the reset though for the
That's
year.
fine.
Okay.
It's a very similar situation to the previous PTI case that you just heard about. He's approved for PTI. We submitted the signed contract. He has the device, paid the fee. But we let them know when we signed the contract, we submitted it yesterday, that he has a company vehicle and that we needed either an exception or to add a portable. And they said, okay, here's an amended contract back. You only need one device, but he needs to get the portable first. So he tried to make an appointment yesterday. As you know, Judge, it takes some time to get an appointment. We just need some time for him
Has
to
he
get.
made an appointment yet?
He's been trying to get an appointment. He hasn't been able to get one scheduled yet. He tried to make one yesterday. He said he kind of got the runaround from Smart Start. But I've impressed upon him to get this done as soon as
And
possible.
it's 200 days. How long do you want?
I know.
I mean, I'll give you a week. If he doesn't have it in a week, I'm going to roll him day for day until he has it.
Okay, Judge, I appreciate that.
Yeah, this is the last reset.
I understand. Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse.
Yes, sir. How do you pick up an arson?
That is correct.
Wait. So on 4/6/25, he picks up a mischief, right? We've got the bond set at 5,002. They did not give him a PR bond.
Correct.
4/22 picks up an arson. And then now on 5/6/25, he picks up an interference, but he gets a PR bond on the interference.
Yeah, correct, Judge.
So, he's not made bond. I guess what I'm
He
gonna
goes to
do.
felony tomorrow.
Okay.
I don't think that the felony judge is going to lower that bond to 30,000. He did express to me that he's probably not going to be able to make it. So as far as our cases, can we keep both at like 5,000?
Yes, I was gonna put the interference, same thing at 5,002.
Okay,
Leave it at that.
okay.
I'm not gonna give him a
I understand, Judge.
possibly.
Yeah.
So we'll leave both at 5,002.
Okay.
And I have to do bail order. Okay. And then just, do you want to set for the next day or whatever day? I'm happy with whatever.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thanks. Okay, hi.
Good morning, Judge. I have Miss Collins on docket. She's in custody. She's the one that
Did we get her?
yes, yes, so I did let you know. So can we bring her out by chance? That way she can, to reinstate her bond. Because she's the one that we issued the bench warrant
I
for.
remember, hold on. So has she made bond on the felony?
So yeah, her probation was reinstated in Galveston.
Okay.
So she's back on that. So she's good over there. So we can proceed without any holds over here.
What is your position? State. So the deal is this, is that she picks up an assault here in August of last year. She's on felony probation at the time, right?
Yes,
They
Judge.
revoke her bond, put her in custody. She sits in custody for a long time in Galveston, right?
Judge.
They just now reinstated her probation
Yes, Judge.
over there. So we bench warrant her back over here. So that's what we are. She wants a PR bond on the assault.
And so we did that because to get her here to actually take care of the case.
To get her here to
Yes.
try to take care of everything.
And so she hasn't done anything while on bond in this case, no violations or anything like that. And
She's been in custody the whole
she's
time.
in, yes, well, for the most part, yes, she was in custody. So on,
Is she in a holdover right now?
yes.
Can we talk about a resolution so
Yeah,
that
we talked about the third.
we talk about the vote?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna read first.
Just let me know when you're done.
Sorry, Judge.
Yeah, hi. Hi,
I know Mayor Rosas on docket, he's in the box.
it's bond violations.
Yes. Indicated to me that they,
Do you speak English?
yes.
Yeah, we get one more second. So. Yes.
Thank you. So where are we now with this case?
On this one here, we got an email, he was accepted into the PTI, and we're hoping we can do a walkthrough on the cast this morning.
Come up, Mr. Rosas.
No, they still got a problem with this, but I think I'm all together.
You are now at a strict no tolerance state. If you ever miss again, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand?
Sir.
Okay, I'm not going to play any more games. The next time you miss a test, it's not going to go well for you. We will do a walkthrough now. No more waived appearances. He must appear at every setting, and then we'll set you off for about a week and a half to see where we are with getting the device and everything. Okay? All right, thanks.
That hearing had a little bit of everything. Judge Fleischer presided over a busy docket that touched on DWI program entries, ignition interlock disputes, bond settings, and even a defendant's last chance at compliance, and his mix of pragmatism, firmness, and plain talk shaped the morning. The first matter involved Mr. Lobo, who was entering the DWI PT program. His attorney had already sent the paperwork to the DA's office, but raised a snag. The contract called for a portable breath device. Yet Lobo had since reinstated his license, secured insurance, and installed a vehicle interlock. Judge Fleischer was pragmatic, noting that contracts often get amended after the fact to update end dates or device requirements. He allowed Lobo to leave for work, provided he signed a reset for a year, with the understanding that if the DA's office flagged a problem, he'd be called back. His tone was practical, balancing procedure with the realities of employment. Another defendant, also approved for PTI, faced the same issue, a company car and the need for a portable device. Judge Fleischer gave him a week to get it installed, warning bluntly that if he didn't, he'd be rolled day for day until he has it. His message was clear. Accommodations only go so far, and the clock was ticking. Bond settings came next, with a defendant who had picked up multiple charges in quick succession, arson in April, then interference in May. Judge Fleischer set both bonds at $5,002, refusing to lower them and noting he doubted felony court would cut them either. His tone was firm, underscoring accountability when new charges stacked up. Then came Miss Collins, whose case was complicated by overlapping jurisdictions. She had picked up an assault charge locally while already on felony probation in Galveston. After her probation was reinstated there, she was bench warranted back for the assault. Defense asked for a PR bond, arguing she had been in custody the whole time and had no violations while on bond in this case. Judge Fleischer listened carefully, weighing her record and custody status before considering next steps. Finally, Mr. Rosenberg appeared, already accepted into PTI but on shaky ground. Judge Fleischer delivered a direct warning. You are now at a strict no-tolerance state. If you ever miss again, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. He eliminated waived appearances, ordered him to attend every setting, and reset the case for a week and a half to check on device installation. His tone was sharp, making sure Rosenberg understood this was the last chance. The overall atmosphere was brisk and serious, though punctuated with moments of candid plain talk. Attorneys were professional, defendants varied from cooperative to defensive, and Judge Fleischer managed it all with pragmatism, allowing flexibility when paperwork lagged, but drawing hard lines when compliance slipped. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.